Hello everyone. Today in this video I want to say something about the advantages of learning abacus. Now most of the parents have certain fear in our mind that abacus is different from our day-to-day maths, general maths and so on. That fear I want to clear because I want to say from my practical experience as my child is learning abacus and he is doing very well. He is now very active. He like to do by himself, and whenever his teacher doesn't take class, he becomes very sad. Today I don't have abacus class. He becomes very sad. I can know that he loves maths now. That the reason for loving maths is that he is developing gradually, and actually whatever I have included in this video, it is his first 6 months, not also 6 months, 5 months development I have shown in this video, whatever he has learned so far. So he has passed his A level, now he is in B level. Although in this video I have talked about a particular teacher where he is learning online actually, but still I must say that you can enroll your child anywhere in any part of the world, whether online or offline you can arrange, but the thing is that your child must develop, and the thing is that I must tell something about the advantages, because as a parent I am getting benefits. As a child, my child is getting the benefits of abacus. So I want all the children to get this benefit. That is why I have created this video. So just have my son Ryan.
Hello.
So I want to talk something about abacus today, as most of the parents don't know about abacus and what are the uses of it, advantages of learning abacus. Now during lockdown I came in contact with Sangeeta Chakravarti ma'am, one of my colleague Chanchal Sarma. Her grandmother lives in Kolkata, and in that way she knows Sangeeta Chakravarti ma'am, and I also came to know about her, as her girl child was learning abacus. I asked my child also, so she arranged that class for Brian. And now he has been improving a lot in maths. In the beginning he didn't feel like doing maths whenever I asked to do him. Now he is very much interested, and I will thank ma'am for that. And she is very much she knows how to tackle with the problems. She is not at all angry, and she used to ask him every now and then whether he was drawing, as he likes to draw also. So these are some of the things which makes her unique, and these children likes her very much for that reason. Now abacus, she has already she has prepared this book by herself under this charitable trust, Swarnir's charitable trust, and there is registration also, and here up to H level they have to continue. And here the best part of it is this part. What is the benefit of learning abacus? First is removing phobia in mathematics. If your child is afraid of maths, he will forget that fear. 360-degree brain development. Yes, there is brain development all the time. The brain is active. Generating self-confidence. Yes, he gets self-confidence once he can do certain sums which are very difficult for you and me who have not learned abacus. Improving memory. It improves memory also. And moreover, he has been learning multiplication table. Do you know people children are afraid even to memorize up to 10 multiplication table, but now they have been learning to 15, 30, 40, 30s are also they can say. So that's the best thing, and they can calculate any of the sums, improve overall abilities and stress, fear, calculations. Now just I want to show you how my child is developed. Please tell 44 minus 11 plus 10. How much?
43.
Very good. 22 plus 11 minus 10. How much?
23.
Very good. 13 plus 11 minus 20.
4.
Very good. 97 plus 7 plus 50 plus 43 plus 8. How much?
205.
Very good. 54 plus 7 plus 65 minus 34 plus 60.
152.
Very good. So this is how he is learning abacus, and I thank to our Sangeeta Chakrabarti ma'am. Ryan, would you say something? When Sangeeta ma'am doesn't take class, how do you feel?
Well.
Very well. So you are enjoying now? You like maths? Very good. Thank you, ma'am. Say thank you to ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.